Hi class, today's lesson is income. I wonder, do many of you guys have part-time jobs? There are many ways of earning a living. You can be self-employed or work for someone else. Your income is usually related to the skills that you have, and it can be calculated and paid in different ways. So the definition of income is the money you get from working. The first type we are going to look at is wages. Wages are paid per hour worked. So the amount you get is based on how much you actually work. So this is things like waitresses, retail workers. If you guys have jobs in like fast food industry, you'll probably be paid on a wage. So when we look at questions to work out the wage, we use this formula. Pay rate multiplied by hours worked. For example, Ali earns $13 an hour at a cafe. How much does she earn for 10 hours of work? So to work out the wage, we do the pay rate multiplied by the hours worked. So the pay rate, she gets $13 an hour and she works for 10 hours. Put that in the calculator and it equals 130. So she earns $130. The next type of income is salary. So salary is when you're paid a set amount per year. So things like teachers, like me, or engineers, we're paid a salary. If you're on a yearly salary, so a set amount per year, you might want to work out how much you get paid per month. So there are 12 months in a year. So to work out your monthly salary, you do your total yearly one divided by 12. You might want to work out how much you get paid fortnightly. So there are 26 fortnights in a year, so the total divided by 26. You might want to work out how much you're getting paid per week, because you just know that total yearly amount. So weekly, it's the total divided by 52, because there are 52 weeks in a year. Let's do an example. David earns a salary of $80,000 each year. How much is this per month? So to work out per month, we need to do the total divide by 12. So the total is 80,000 divide by 12. Pop that in the calculator, it equals $6,666. So that's how much he earns per month. And then per week, it's the total divide by 52. So 80,000 divide by 52. Pop that in the calculator, which was $1,538 per week. The next type of income is commission. So commission is where you're paid a percentage of the sales that you make. So like the more sales you make, the more you get paid. So this is things like real estate agents, car salesmen. So that's why these people might be really pushy. They want you to buy things because if you buy things, they then get paid more. This is the formula to work out commission. It's percentage commission divided by 100 multiplied by the sales. For example, Mikey is a car salesman. He earns 20% commission on his sales. His total car sales for the week is $4,000. How much money will he earn? So we use the formula percentage commission divide by 100 times the sales. Okay, so the percentage commission is 20%, so 20 divide by 100 times the sales, so his was $4,000. Pop that in the calculator and it equals 800. So he made $800 that week. Another type of income is fees. So you're paid according to the charges you set. So some types of doctors might be like this, or lawyers. Another type of income is piecework. So you're paid per item produced. So you might be paid per each pair of jeans you sew, or you might be paid for each bucket of oranges picked. So, the more you pick, the more you get paid. I would like you to complete the income worksheet and submit it to my Panola.